Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. This is a video of sewing the leggings, the pattern of which we made in one of the previous videos. I will leave a link to it in the description below the video. This pattern can also be used to make sport shorts, which is what I did, and you'll see it at the end of this video. I will be using two colors of lycra for these leggings. You can skip the modeling and sew your leggings in one solid piece, but I'll show you how you can fantasize and change the pattern. First, I narrowed the waist 1 cm on each side. Then I outline the belt. The width of the waistband will be 12 cm at the front and 7 cm at the back. And also I want to make a decorative insert with a different colored fabric. From the knee line up, I marked 9 cm. Centimeters along the seam line on both sides. And I connect all the points with the curved line. Check that the front and back lines are the same distance apart. Cut off the waistband and then cut off the decorative piece. We'll need to add a seam allowance of 7 mm on each edge. I added some seam allowances back in the pattern making phase. All seam allowances are 7 mm, only the bottom seam allowance is 1.5 cm. Perhaps after trying on the leggings, the length will need to be shortened. Cut out 2 of these pieces. By the way, along the knee line, don't forget to put notches. Cut out the waistband. The waistline follows the fold of the fabric. We need to draw a line at a right angle down the center. Measure the extra distance. You will need to subtract it from the back side. First, I outline the waistband. I have 2 centimeters extra at the front, so I'm taking it from the back. And I'm drawing a new line. And to this line you need to add a seam allowance of 7 millimeters. I add a seam allowance of 7 millimeters at the bottom. Fold the pieces face inward. Stitch on a 4th red overlock. Then I'll do a zigzag stitch. I ironed leggings after the seam. My leggings are ready and I thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give your likes, and I'll see you soon with new videos.